Affinity Photo and Photoshop have got some great pattern features, but you can also add patterns from other applications, such as Inkscape. Inkscape is a free application, a vector application, and you can create all kinds of designs straight from a rectangle, or any other shape, of course. Go here to Fill and Strokes, this panel. So go to Fill, and then along here, you've got gradients, and I'm just going to click there. And you've got hundreds and hundreds of pattern designs you can choose from. Just run through them. Just going to go for a basic one, a checkerboard design. But you could go for any other one. And you can set the scale. So maybe set it to 40. Maybe go for 45 degrees. And you can obviously create straight away different designs using that. Also, you can offset it. Just change the offset there. Also, change the gap. Now, personally, most of the time I don't change that. I just keep it as is. But it's a useful feature if you want to add a bit of a gap in there. You can also blur it, and also you can modify the colour. But you can also edit on the canvas. So edit on canvas. So click there. And you can edit it. Just hover over here and you can tweak that and rotate it. Click there and just drag that around and so on. You can just tweak it in all kinds of ways. Maybe shear it. You might not want black and white. What you can do, click the colour and you'll get this pattern colour pop up. It's already there. Sometimes some of the panels stay for a long time. You can't get rid of them, weirdly. And you can modify here by just changing the colour. You can tweak there. And you can see by changing the lightness, saturation and hue. But you can also go to the colour wheel and just change the colour there as well. So you can see you get pink, green, etc. I say close it. Sometimes it closes. Sometimes it just remains. Well, once you've got your design, you can simply copy it into Photoshop. So edit and copy, or Affinity Photo. So let's go to first Photoshop. So there's Photoshop and edit and paste. And there's the design. Copied into Photoshop. And of course you can apply all kinds of effects. You can also tweak it. You see it's a vector smart object here in the layers. Go down to effects, just click there. Maybe bevel and emboss. And you can just add a bevel and emboss, maybe add a drop shadow. And of course you can duplicate design as well. Hold down the Alt Option key and just drag, and you can create multiple layers of that design. And of course you can apply effects as well. So filters, whole range of different effects, maybe Gaussian blur, etc. What you can also do is you can go to Affinity Photo. The great thing about Affinity Photo is edit and paste. It is still a vector design, though weirdly it doesn't seem to have an option to actually access the fill, so you can't modify the fill once it's in Affinity Photo. But you can still apply effects, still distort it, so just change that. You can also go over here, go to the node tool, so go to node tool there, and you can see you can access that, convert to curves. So click there and then change the size, move it around, and also apply effects as well. So here, go to layers, go to effects, click there, maybe add an outer shadow, so outer shadow, and you can see create some great designs there. And again, you can still duplicate this design, hold down the Alt Option key and drag to duplicate it, maybe change the colours, etc. Also, maybe apply filters. So filters, go to blur, Gaussian blur, or distort and deform. And just distort the design in all kinds of ways. And click apply. There you have it, a quick way of creating some interesting designs using Inkscape, a brilliant free application that you can use with Photoshop, Affinity Photo and many other applications, Designer, Painter, etc. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.